I'm Dominic Nguyen, and I'm going to talk about the CSS in my Sucker Road bike shop. What's happening here is I'm basically setting all the, the basic info for the text, so the headers. So all the headers are going to be capitalized. Later down, I bold some of the headers just to add some, you know, weight to it, and I'm adding line heights and margins to the bottoms just to add it, and then later on I'll edit it. This is a wrapper class, which I apply to a lot of things. So this is why everything is lined up. Next, we're going on the header. Set to relative because up here this is just a div with the background. That's the orange background to style it. And other stylings to each of the things here. For the categories, I add an ID to each background because they're all different. And I style it, doing the same thing, a relative, and then that goes there. And everything's in line. Featured articles for the CSS. It's mainly just small edits to the headers or the paragraphs, and moving stuff around. So this is the sale is a before selecting, just checking if it has a delete and adding a sale. And the ratings is hidden. That the meter is hidden, but the ratings will move depending on the rating value. And the button is lined up with the image, and the image is not spread out all the way, so it gives an impression that it's in the box. For members' benefits, I added a div for the shading, and these icons are a bit see-through because I added an opacity layer. And here it's just small edits to the paragraphs or the headers. And for the footer, I basically, just small edits, and I kind of do the same thing with the rating, except I check the data value. But as we talked in class, I could have just targeted the href instead of just adding a data value. Shop page, everything's in a div. Kind of same thing going on in the main page, where if it has a delete, it'll add a sale icon, and it repeats. Club events, let's find that. I basically, every second article image, it will float to the right, and that's why it gives it this effect. And then there's some margins here just to give it, some spacing. Blog, the images will load. Okay, I guess the images do not want to load for some reason. Well, I'll figure that later in my JavaScript, because probably I just have to add something. But there should be an image here. It's all lined up. And finally, for the contact, it's basically what I did with everything else. Edit the H, blah blah blah. Add some spacing. And here, I'm just hiding the labels that were in the forms and changing and having a value there instead. So as well as the message. Yep, and that's basically the gist of my CSS. Something I probably would have done better next time is group everything. That makes more sense. So I will have like all the headers and one part, or all the text edits in one part, and then the actual editing the area somewhere else. Well, thank you for for watching.